Ever find yourself wondering if your money is actually growing in your Acorns account? You're diligently putting in those spare change roundups and maybe even setting up recurring investments, but how do you really know if it's making a difference? It's like planting a seed and patiently waiting, but wouldn't it be nice to peek beneath the soil every now and then to see some progress? That's exactly what we're diving into today. We're not just going to talk about the idea of your Acorns performance, we're going to get practical. We're going to explore precisely how you can check your monthly performance review within the Acorns app. Think of it as getting a financial health checkup, a way to understand if your investments are aligning with your goals and the market's movements. Now, before we jump into the nitty-gritty of navigating the app, let's take a step back for a moment and understand why tracking your performance is so crucial. It's not just about satisfying curiosity, although that's definitely part of it. Regularly reviewing your investment performance offers several key benefits. Firstly, it provides a clear picture of your investment growth over time. Are you seeing the returns you expected? Is your portfolio keeping pace with the broader market? Without checking, you're essentially flying blind, hoping for the best but without any concrete data to back it up. Secondly, understanding your performance helps you identify trends. Are certain months particularly strong or weak? Are there patterns emerging that might suggest adjustments to your investment strategy down the line? This kind of insight is invaluable for making informed decisions about your financial future. Thirdly, it can be a powerful motivator. Seeing your money grow, even incrementally, can reinforce positive saving and investing habits. It provides tangible evidence that your efforts are paying off, encouraging you to stay consistent and perhaps even consider increasing your contributions. Finally, and perhaps most importantly, reviewing your performance allows you to assess if your current investment strategy aligns with your risk tolerance and long-term financial goals. If you're aiming for aggressive growth but your returns are consistently conservative, it might be time to reevaluate your portfolio allocation within Acorns. So, with that understanding of why it matters, let's get into the how. Acorns has made it relatively straightforward to access your performance data right within the mobile app. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you navigate and understand your monthly performance review. Step 1. Open the Acorns app. This might seem obvious, but it's the crucial first step. Make sure you have the Acorns app installed on your smartphone or tablet and that you're logged into your account. Step 2. Navigate to your portfolio. Once you're logged in, you'll typically land on a home screen that provides a snapshot of your overall account value. Look for an option that says something like Portfolio, Invest, or displays your current total investment amount prominently. Tap on this section to delve deeper into your investment details. Step 3. Find the Performance section. Within your portfolio view, you'll likely see various pieces of information, including your current balance, recent activity, and potentially different investment accounts if you have more than one, like Acorns Invest, Later, or Spend. Look for a tab or section specifically labeled Performance, Returns, or something similar. It might be located at the top, bottom, or accessible through a menu option. Step 4. Select the desired time frame. Once you've found the Performance section, you will usually be presented with different time frames for viewing your returns. You might see options like All Time, Past Year, Past 6 months, Past 3 months, and crucially, Past Month. Tap on Past Month to specifically view your monthly performance. Step 5. Understanding your monthly performance data. Now, this is where the information gets interesting. Acorns typically presents your monthly performance in a few different ways. Percentage return. This is perhaps the most straightforward metric. It shows the percentage by which your investments have grown or shrunk during the past month. A positive percentage indicates growth, while a negative percentage indicates a decrease in value. Dollar amount change. In addition to the percentage, Acorns often displays the actual dollar amount your portfolio has gained or lost during the month. This can provide a more tangible sense of the impact of the market on your investments. Comparison to benchmarks. This is a particularly valuable feature. Acorns often compares your portfolio's performance to relevant market benchmarks, such as the S&P 500. This allows you to see how your diversified portfolio is performing relative to the broader stock market. Keep in mind that Acorns uses different ETF portfolios with varying risk levels, so the benchmark comparison might differ depending on your chosen portfolio. Visualizations, charts and graphs. Acorns often uses charts and graphs to illustrate your performance over time. For the monthly view, you might see a simple line graph showing the fluctuation in your portfolio value throughout the month. These visuals can make it easier to grasp the overall trend. Key things to consider when reviewing your monthly performance. Market volatility. Remember that the stock market experiences natural fluctuations. A single month of negative performance doesn't necessarily indicate a problem with your investment strategy. It's important to consider the broader market context and look at your performance over longer periods as well. Your investment strategy, your chosen Acorns portfolio, conservative, moderate, aggressive, etc., will influence your expected returns and the level of volatility you might experience. More aggressive portfolios have the potential for higher growth but also carry greater risk of short-term losses. Contributions and withdrawals. Keep in mind that your monthly performance can be influenced by your own contributions and withdrawals. If you added more money to your account during the month, this will naturally contribute to an increase in your overall balance, even if the market returns were modest. Conversely, withdrawals will decrease your balance. Acorns usually tries to account for these flows when calculating performance, but it's good to be aware of their impact. Compounding. While you're looking at monthly performance, it's important to remember the power of compounding over the long term. Small gains each month can add up significantly over years. Don't get discouraged by minor fluctuations, focus on the long game. Don't overreact. It's crucial not to make impulsive decisions based on a single month's performance. Investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Avoid the temptation to drastically change your strategy based on short-term market movements. Beyond the monthly view. While we're focusing on the monthly review today, it's worth noting that Acorns allows you to analyze your performance over various time frames. Looking at your quarterly, annual, and all-time performance can provide a more comprehensive understanding of your investment journey. This longer-term perspective can help smooth out the short-term volatility and reveal the overall trend of your investments. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.